So from shayateen or from the physical phenomena, meaning actually medical science or whatever, or actually all these other things, they cannot give you, because actually the source comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Source is Allah Azza wa Jal. But for me and you, the lesson is that Shaitan is not in control. It's Allah Azza wa Jal is in control. He has given freedom to us and Shaitan, not only to him, equally He's given freedom to us as well. So it's not an equal match really. We are actually much superior. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam on our side, all angels on our side, all awliya on our side, all sahaba on our side, and countless angels, malaika like Sayyidina Jibreel alayhi salam. He is in control now, in the past and future, and on the day of judgment.